Hello YouTube, it's Hobo Mackie doing some hobo fishing today. Uh, Out here in Bradenton, Florida. Um, I've been at this pond for a few days. Definitely seen some gators, nothing huge. I want to say like 4 or 5 foot gator. I've seen a baby gator, pretty much came right up pretty close. Lots of turtles. It's like it might be breeding season because I'll see like 6 different sets of them in the water breeding, uh, getting it on. And there's tons of turtles out here. So we got gators, we got turtles, tons of birds as well. Um, we're, about February 23rd, I think. So that time of year, a little bit cloudy this morning, a little cool, a little bit cooler than normal. It's been sunny and hot lately. Um, I did buy some fishing line and fishing hooks, and I bought a little fillet knife. Um, I spent $2 on the fishing line, $1 on the hooks, and $1 on the knife. I got the knife at a Goodwill. Uh, so hopefully I'll be eating some fish. There's tons of minnows right here in this little area, and I made a little minnow trap. All it is, take a 2-liter bottle, cut the top off it, and stick it inside. So it's a little minnow trap, and I'll show you here in a second when I pull it out. And I found a nice long stick, tied on my fishing string and a hook. And I also salvaged this really long tent pole from an old homeless tent. Um, and I'm trying to make a pole out of that. It's kind of a pain in the butt because it's real bendy, and you'll see what I'm saying when I try to put it out there. Um, I did catch one little bass already. It was kind of small, so I just threw him back. Um, so let's see if we can catch some fish. I am having to get into the water to get my minnows out there. Um, and it gets, over the knee deep. There could be gators hiding underneath the grass here. I'm not particularly afraid of them. I haven't seen nothing big, and I don't really think they attack it during the day. I think they mostly attack at night, and I don't think I think they're pretty afraid of humans in general. So shouldn't have any problems. If we do, then it'd make a good YouTube video. But we'll see. Here's my little minnow trap. Oh my gosh. This is embarrassing. There's no minnows in there. There's a whole school of minnows over here, so I'll set it over here. I may have scared all the minnows away. Oh, there's a gator. He's looking at me too. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. Let's see here. He might be coming over to see what all the fuss is about. Can't tell if y'all can see him or not. He's slowly swimming over here. All right, so yeah, we got gators. They might have smelled the fish. So I caught a fish earlier, hooked him in the back of his throat because, well, what had happened was I had made a YouTube video and I was just sitting there. He's definitely swimming closer. But so I made a YouTube video and I wasn't catching nothing. So I just decided, well, I'm gonna go make another one, make another fishing pole. He's swimming over here. Just get a look at him. You know, it's kind of hard to tell from a distance sometimes. But I'm gonna say he's 5 foot, 4 foot. Hell, I mean, for all I know, he could be like 3 foot. He's definitely not big though. That's definitely not a big one. He's a small guy or girl. Let's see how the minnow trap's doing. They're all around the trap. I don't see any inside it yet. Catching minnows here is pretty easy though. I had a big, I had a full um, container full of them, and it spilt over, and I lost them all. Um, but it's not a big deal to catch more minnows. I guess the gators got me a little bit hesitant, you know. Like right here under all these little weeds, it's actually fairly deep. Deep enough a gator could be hiding, you know. But I've already been out in there, and if there was a gator in there, I think I would know about it. Uh, he's definitely like curious about me, I guess. I don't know what he's doing. I don't even know if you guys can see him or not. Yeah, you can see him. He's pointed right at me now. What's up, buddy? You want a piece of me? You want a piece of me? Come and get it. Come on. I'm trying to get some YouTube followers. I need like a good attack or something. A good attack video would be good. You know? I think these gators are harmless, especially the small ones. I think I could literally swim out there and just grab them. I mean, how many times have you seen that shit on TV? The Gator Boys, or the Cuban guy Manny, you know, Steve Irwin. These guys aren't afraid of these things. See how that minnow trap's doing. Still don't have any freaking minnows in there that I can see. It's let me adjust the minnow trap real quick. Normally I set the minnow trap in there and the minnows literally just swim right in. Now they're not doing it. Keeping my eye on that gator though. As long as I can see him, I feel okay. Oh Lord. I really think I fucked up a little bit. Uh, I've been in and out of this water so much. Right here is where I was getting all the minnows, and now that I've been in and out of there, I think the minnows have went away. So probably what I need to do is cut this video short until I can get some minnows. Unless you guys just want to stare at an alligator all day, or me. Um, oh, he's put his back out the water. Yeah, he's not that big. He's moving. I think this is the same gator I seen last time, about the same size anyway. I don't know how many would be in this pond. I've seen a baby one twice, and it was like the same size. So maybe there's one baby one and this one. Oh, he's moving now. He was swimming right at a turtle, and that turtle just skedaddled. Oh, so as I was saying, I was making a YouTube video earlier, and I had just the one cane pole. I caught the minnows. That worked like a charm. I might end up posting that video now. I don't know. And then I went away to go make another cane pole, and when I came back, I had a fish on the rod on the first cane pole. So I ended up being successful, catching a little fish, and I could have kept him and ate him. It was kind of small. I just felt like I would try again. I don't feel that guilty about. I mean, the hook was caught in the back of his throat, and anytime that happens, the fish is dead. There's no saving it. Uh, but I don't think it's a big deal because there's so many turtles and gators, and that fish is gone. Like, it was floating around, and it's gone already. So I think just that quick, something got it. So it's the cycle of life. I think I don't feel that guilty about it. Um, yeah, just still watching that gator, just seeing what he's up to. So that might have been what is attracting him over here, because the fish was bleeding from its throat where the hook got caught. Um, so it was like literally kind of like dead on top of the water, but still flailing around a little bit. So I had a feeling that might attract a gator over here, but and sure enough, we got one. Um, so what I'm thinking I need to do, I'm gonna check this fish trap real quick, the minnow trap, and see if I'm getting any. See if I got anything. And if I don't, And then I'm probably going to cut this YouTube video and set the minnow trap, walk away for a while, and then come back. I was hoping I would instantly catch some minnows like I did the first time, but seeing as how I've disturbed everything so bad, I gotta wait for the minnows to come back. Or I'd have to go and find another spot to put it. And this entire lake is just surrounded by vegetation, and it's hard to get to the water. That gator's not scared of me, though. That's kind of funny, ain't it? He just seems to be coming closer and closer. He has to hear me talking. He's like looking at me. I mean, maybe he's just hoping I'll catch another fish and throw it to him or something. He probably doesn't see a whole lot of people out here, especially crazy hobos like me. Or maybe he's just waiting for me to get into the water. Got a turtle swimming this way. He just went under. All right, let's see if we got any minnows. Nothing. All right, so minnow trap is set, and so this might end up being like a three-parter, possibly. Mm, yeah, I think I need to walk away from this area and just get away, so that the minnows will go into the trap, and then I can do some fishing. All right, peace out, YouTube.